How to layer two videos or mask a video over the main video, creating a two-layer video effect with two videos playing at the same time. This is with the VN Video Editor app, and as always, make sure you have the latest update. Let's get started. So let's just say you want to have a sort of split screen video or a layered video with a split effect, and you want to do this with two videos being in the same format. So what do I mean by that? So if you're doing it with a vertical video, the video that you're going to put over as the layered video should also be the vertical video, as it will work better that way versus a horizontal video. So now to add a video on the main video, you want to tap here, this option right here. It'll take you to this, and you want to go to where it says photos right there. This will give you this view mode here in which you can see all videos only. And if it's a video that you want to add as a video overlay effect, you're going to go ahead and select that video. So let's just say the video that I want to add is maybe this one here, and it'll tell you which one you have already. So just in case you're not sure what you have already, you can see the one that says important. That's the one that's there already. So you want to add maybe this one here, and as always, you can select it. And once you do this, once that video has been selected, to the bottom area, just go ahead and look for the fill tool. So there's a tool that will allow you to fill it. It'll call fit, this one here. And when you tap on it, it'll fill up the entire video frame like this. And why would you want to do that is because now you can use the mask tool. So while this layered video is selected, these tools will apply to it. So just go ahead and navigate over to the bottom area until you see mask, this one here. Once you go to mask, you can choose any one of these, but if you want to have like a sort of slanted split effect, go with the line one here, and you'll take your two fingers to rotate it. And you rotate it to any way you want it, but just to give you an idea of how it works. And you can pull on these little arrows to give a sort of faded into effect. So you can see now it's kind of fading in, all right? And you can just have this kind of dragged in like that if you want more of the top to show. And go ahead and press the check mark. And once you're done with all these changes, you can now go ahead and press play, and you'll see the two videos playing together in a sort of layered effect. Notice how that's kind of playing in like that together. Okay, so you can just go ahead and get creative and work it out and how you want it to be and make some awesome videos with VN Video Editor app. And that's it for this guide. Like and sub.